Dear students, I will now solve some previous year exam questions on differentiation each bearing 05 marks. Question number 1. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sin x to the power of log x. Now the solution is given that y is equal to sin x to the power of log x. Taking logarithm on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of sin x to the power of log x. So this is equal to log x into log sin x. Then differentiating both sides, we get 1 by y dy by dx, differentiating both sides with respect to x. We get 1 by y dy by dx is equal to log x into derivative of log of sin x with respect to x plus log of sin x into derivative of log x with respect to x. So this is equal to, this is the differentiation of the product of two functions. So this is equal to log x into derivative of log of sin x with respect to sin x into derivative of sin x with respect to x plus log of sin x into derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 by x. So this is equal to log x into 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus log sin x by x. So derivative of log sin x with respect to sin x is 1 by sin x, as derivative of log x with respect to x is equal to 1 by x. Now this implies dy by dx is equal to y whole into log x into cos x by sin x plus log sin x by x. Now this is equal to y is equal to sin x to the power of log x whole into log x into cot x plus log sin x by x, and this is the required answer. The next question is differentiate, question number 2, 2019 winter new, differentiate 5 to the power of cos x square with respect to x. Now the solution is let y is equal to 5 to the power of cos x square. This is 1. And let x square is equal to v. This is 2. Now differentiating 2 with respect to x, we get dv by dx is equal to 2x. dv by dx is equal to derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x, and this is 3. Now cos x square is equal to cos v. Let cos v is equal to u. This is 4. Again differentiating 4 with respect to v, we get derivative of cos v dv with respect to v is equal to du by dv. Now this implies du by dv is equal to minus sin v. So this is 5. Now dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to dy by du by dv into dv by dx. So this is equal to derivative of y is equal to 5 to the power of cos x square. So this is 5 derivative of 5 to the power of u, 5 to the power of u du into du by dv minus sin v into 2x, as y is equal to 5 to the power of cos x square is equal to 5 to the power of cos v is equal to 5 to the power of u, and by 2, 4, 5 and 3. Using this, by using 2, 4, 5 and 3, we get this result. So this is equal to derivative of 5 to the power of u with respect to u. So this is equal to 5 to the power of u into log base e 5 into minus sin v into 2x, as derivative of a to the power of x with respect to x. So this is equal to a to the power of x log base e a. Now putting the value of u and v, we get dy by dx is equal to 5 to the power of u, 5 u is equal to cos v, and v is equal to x square. So 5 to the power of cos x square into log base e 5 into minus sin v is x square sin x square into 2x. So this is equal to minus 5 to the power of cos x square into log e 5 into sin x square into 2x, which is the answer.